Thinking about giving your electric fireplace a stylish upgrade? In this video, we'll show you how to build a fireplace surround that enhances the look of your space while adding a personal touch. First, gather the materials you'll need, whether it's wood, tile, or stone for the surround. You'll also want to plan the design carefully, making sure to take accurate measurements of your fireplace to create a frame that fits snugly. If you're building a custom fireplace surround, consider incorporating a mantel for an extra layer of charm. Start by constructing the fireplace framing using wood. Be sure to use fire-resistant materials to ensure safety. After the frame is built, secure it to the wall, using proper anchoring techniques to keep it stable. Once the frame is in place, install the fireplace trim and finish it off with your choice of paint or stain. You can also get creative with finishing touches like decorative tiles or stone for a modern or rustic look. By building your own DIY fireplace surround, you not only boost the aesthetic appeal of your living space, but also integrate your home decor with a sleek and stylish upgrade. Don't forget to subscribe for more DIY home projects and design tips.